children. How are you all? Yes, very good. I hope you are safe at home, right? Yes. Are you drinking hot water, children? Yes. Children, we have to drink at least 4 times every day, 4 times hot water, children. Yes? Very good. Now, coming to the class, children, this is part 2 of multiplication of numbers. Okay, children, part 2 class. In the part 1 class, what we have discussed, children? We learnt about properties of multiplication and multiplication, simple multiplication without a regrouping. Yes, what are properties, children? Shall we take some examples? Yes. Suppose 280 into 1. What is the answer? 25 into 0. What is the answer? Yes, 280 into 1 is 280. 25 into 0 is 0. What is this, children? What is this property? This is one of the property of multiplication. Already we have discussed. If 1 is multiplied by any number, gives the same number as answer. The answer is the number itself. 1 is multiplied by any number, the answer is the number itself. Next, if 0 is multiplied by any number, the answer is 0. This is the second property of multiplication. Yes? Yes. Yes. 25 into 0 is the answer. 0 multiplied by any number gives 0 as answer. This is one of the property of multiplication. 4 into 6. 6 into 4 is equal to 6 4 are 24. This is the third property of multiplication. 4 into 6 and 6 into 4. Though the order of the numbers is changed, the answer is same. This is one of the properties of multiplication. Understood, children? 4 into 6. First time I wrote 4 into 6. Here 6 into 4 I wrote. 6 came first here. So the order of the numbers is changed, but the answer is same. Yes or no? 4 6 are how much, children? Very good. 24. And 6 4 are how much, children? Yes, 24. So the order of the numbers is changed. The answer is same. So this is the third property of multiplication. Yes, children? Yes. Note it down. Next, coming to the simple multiplication or standard multiplication. One simple multiplication I want to explain. 203 into 3. Okay, look at the board, children. Yes, 3 3s are. So first is a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. So 1's place, 10's place, 100's place. So first 3 should be multiplied by 3. And next 10's place digit should be multiplied by 3. Next 2 should be multiplied by 3. Yeah, first 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. So at 1's place write down 9. Understood? Yes, next 3 into 0. 3 zeros are 0 only. If 0 is multiplied by any number, the answer is the 0. So 3 zeros are 0 only. So at 10's place write down 0. Next 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. So what is the answer? 609. The product is 609. The answer in the multiplication is called product. 609 is the product. So this is the multiplication without regrouping. Understood, children? This is a multiplication without a regrouping. Means we don't have any carryovers here. If you have any carryovers, that becomes multiplication with regrouping. Okay, now shall we take one example for that also? Yes. So the answer in the multiplication is called product. Yes, next. multiplication with regrouping. Yeah, from page number 133, exercise number 4.2. I'm going to take from first one a bit. 13 into 12. And B is 24 into 6. Now to B, this is some other example. First look at this example, children. 2-digit number by 1-digit number is ones place, tens place. 6 4s are how much, children? 6 into 4, 6. So first ones place digit should be multiplied by 6, then tens place digit should be multiplied by 6. So 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. So here I can't write 24 because 24 is a 2-digit number, ones place, tens place. So 4 write at ones place, ones place digit write at ones place, and tens place digit is that 2 is carry forward to the tens place. So above 2 write down 2. Now 6 4s are 6 into 4, 6 4s are 24. But what is the carry? Very good, 2. So 24 plus 2 is 26. 264 is the product. So the answer in the multiplication is called product, 264. So here we have some carryovers. So this is a multiplication with regrouping. I am regrouping ones to the tens place. I am regrouping tens place here. So this is the multiplication with regrouping. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now coming to the exercise number 4.2. This one I am going to do 13 into 12. What is the product we have to write? So here 2-digit number by 2-digit number. 13 into 12. Okay, how to do? We will see now. So first 13 should be multiplied by 2 and 13 should be multiplied by 1. Understood? 2-digit number by 2-digit number. First 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay, at ones place write down 6. Next 2 into 1. What is the ones place digit here? 1. So 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So at tens place write down 2. Now in the second line we have to put into for the ones place because already did with ones place, done with ones place. We are going to do with the tens place now. So start with the tens place. With the 2 already completed, means ones place digit we have completed. We are doing with the tens place digit now. So start with the tens place. So for ones place put into. Understood, children? Yes. Next 1 into 3. 1 3s are 3. Okay, write 3 at tens place. Next 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1. So at hundreds place write down 1. So here put 0. At hundreds place in the first line put 0. Now add 6, the same number. 2 plus 3 how much, children? 5. 0 plus 1 how much, children? 1. So what is the product now? 156. Product is 156. So write down the product 156. Is it clear, children? Yes. Note it down, children. We will take one more example. You can pause the video and you can note it down. Next, B bit. B bit is 38 into 14. Into 14. Yes. 38 into 14. Okay. Now look at the board, children. Yes. So 38 should be multiplied by 4. First, the whole number should be multiplied by 4 and the whole number should be multiplied by 1. So this is the process. 1's place, 10's place. So first 4 into 8. 4 8s are how much? Very good. 32. 4 8s are 32. So 2 write at 1's place and 3 is the carry is forwarded to the 10's place. Okay, children? Understood all of you? Yes. Next 4 into 3. 4 3s are how much, children? Very good. 12. 4 3s are 12. But what is the carry? Very good. 3. So add that carry. So 12 plus 3 how much? 15. Yes. Write down the 15. Understood? Yes. Now we have to do with 10's place a digit. So for 1's place put into. In the second line for 1's place we have to put into and start with the 10's place because we are doing with the 10's place. Yes, children. 1 into 8. 1 into 8. 1 8s are 8. So write 8. Next 1 into 3. Cut these carries. 1 into 3. How much? Yes, 1 3s are 3. So write 3 here. Now take addition. 2, the same number will come and 5 plus 8 how much, children? 13. Yes, 3 right here and 1 is the carry. Okay, below the line we have to write carries here. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. What is the answer? Yes, very good. 532 is the answer, means the product. Write down, children. 532 is the answer. Note it down. Yes. Next. Second bit. Write the missing digits. Write the missing digits. Yes. A bit 14 into 37 is equal to 5 dash 8. Take multiplication, you will get this answer. We have to fill these missing digits. Okay, simple multiplication. Yes, children. 2-digit number by 2-digit number. Yes, 14 into 37. Okay, 14 should be multiplied by 7 first, then 14 should be multiplied by 3 first. 1's place, 10's place. 7 4s are how much, children? 7 4s are 28. So what is 28 is a two-digit number. What is ones place digit here? 8. And tens place digit is 2. So done 2. Cut it. And tens place digit is 2 is forwarded to the tens place. So above 1 write down 2. Okay? 7 1 ja 7. 7 into 1 is equal to 7 plus, but what is the carry? 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. So write down 9. Okay? Now the whole number should be, means the 14 should be multiplied by 3. So for ones place put in 2. Because we are doing with the tens place. So start with the tens place digit. Start with the tens place. Next 3 4 ja. How much? Very good children. 12. So 2 write at tens place and 1 is the carry is forwarded to the here. 3 4s are 12. 2 right here and 1 is forwarded to the next place. 3 1s are 3. But what is the carry? 1. Understood? Plus 1 is equal to 4. Write 4 here. Okay? Now at hundreds place put 0. Now take addition. 8 is the same number. 9 plus 2 how much children? Very good. 11. 1 right there and 1 is the carry. Is forwarded to the next place. Below this line we have to write down the carries. Now add 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. What is the product children? Yes, very good. 518. So now write down the missing digit. What is ones place digit here? 8. Tens place digit is 1. So write down 1. Hundreds place digit is 5. Have you understood children up to here? Yes, very good. Shall we take another bit on this? Yes. Next bit. Yes. Now from exercise number 4.3, I am taking this one from page number 135 now. Okay, a bit 4 digit number I am taking. 1 2 3 4 into 2 is equal to 2 dash 6 dash. Okay children, 4 digit number by single digit number. Yes, 1 2 3 4 into 2. Yes, 2 4s are how much children? 2 4s are 8. So write at ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place is a 4 digit number. 1234 into 2 should be multiplied by 2. So 2 4s are 8. Next 2 3s are 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. Next 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 with the hundreds place digit. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 with the thousands place digit. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Next 2 1s are 2. So what is the answer? 2468 is the 2468 is the answer. So this is product. This is called product. 2468. Now write down the missing digits. What is ones place digit? Ones place digit is 8. Tens place digit is 6. Hundreds place digit is 4. Thousands place digit is 2. Understood children? Note it down. Yes. The next concept is multiplication by tens and hundreds. Page number 136. Page number 131. Sorry. Page number 131. Multiplication by tens and hundreds. I want to take this example now. Yes. First example. Tens means by 2-digit number. Hundreds means by 3-digit number. Now for example, take 1 into 10. What is the answer? 10 means multiply these two. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 and 10 is there, write down. 10, 1 tens are 10. For example, 2 into 10. What is the answer? What we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers first. 2 into 1, 2 1s are 2 and write down the 0. 20. 10 is there, write down 10. Understood? Next. 4 into 50. For example, all these are the tens only, right? Yes, 4 into 50. What is the answer? First these two should be multiplied. 4 5s are how much? 20. How many zeros we have to write? 1 0. 4 5s are 20 and write down the 0. So this is multiplication by tens. Have you understood, children? Yes or no? Very good. Take 9 into 70. What is the answer? 9 should be multiplied by this first. 9 7s are how much, na? Yes, very good. 63 into, and write down 0. 630 is the answer. 9 7s are 63 and write down the 0. So this is multiplication by tens. Understood, children? Have you understood, all of you? Yes. 12 into 30. Suppose 12 into 30. 12 should be multiplied by 3. 12 3s are how much? 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are, you know the 12 table? 12 1s are 12. 12 2s are 24. 12 3s are 36. So 12 3s are 36. How many zeros I have to write there? Only 1, because with 1 only we are doing. 360 is the answer. In this way we will write. Understood, children, all of you? Yes. Shall we go for hundreds now? Yes. Note it down. Next. Next example. Two into 100. Now what is the answer? Yes, first what we have to do, this number should be multiplied by this. 2 into 1, how much? 2 1s are 2. But how many zeros I have to write now? Here we have 2 zeros. So write down 2 zeros. 200. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 1s are 2 and put 2 zeros. Next, 6 into 500. What is the answer? This is multiplication by hundreds. Okay, already we finished for tens. Now we are taking for hundreds. 6 into 500. What is the answer, children? First what we have to do? Yes. 6 into 5. 6 into 5 how much? 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. How many zeros I have to write? 2 zeros. We have 2 zeros here. So 2 zeros. 3000 is the answer. Got it? Yes. Note it down. 6 into 500 is 3000. Next. 24 into 200. Okay. What I have to do first? These two should be multiplied. 24 2s are how much? 24 2s are 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 48. 24 2s are 48. But how many zeros I have to write there? 2 zeros. Very simple. 4800 is the answer. Understood all of you? Yes. Note it down. Yes, next. From page number 131 only, try these are there. I want to take those examples. Try these. Okay, first. 45 into 10. B bit. This is a 125 into 10. C. 7 into 40. D. 12 into 60. Okay, look at the board, children. Yes. First, what we have to do? All these are by tens. Multiplication by 10. Yes, 45 should be multiplied by 1. 45 ones are 45. How many zeros I have to write? 1 0. So 450 is the answer. 45 into 10 is 450. 45 tens are 450. Yes, next coming to the B problem. So here 125 into 10. So 125 should be multiplied by 1. 125 into 1 is 125. Write down 1 0. 1 0 is there. So it is 1250. So what is the answer? What is the product? 125 into 10 is 1250. Next, coming to the C bit, 7 into 40. Yes. First what we have to do? 7 into 4. 7 should be multiplied by 4. 7 4s are 28. You should be thorough with the tables. Then only it is easy to you. Okay children? Perfect with 2 to 10 tables. Class 3 children. Understood all of you? Perfect with 10 tables. 7 4s are 28. And put 1 0. 280 is the product. Next coming to the D bit. 12 into 60. What I have to do first? Yes. 12 into 6. 12 6 are how much? Very good. 72. If you don't know, check here. 12 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 1s are 6. Plus 1 7. 72. And put 1 0. 720 is the answer. Got it children? Yes. Next. Now I want to take by hundreds. 8 into 400. B bit 12 into 600. C bit 36 into 200. Yes, look at the board children. Yeah, 8 into 400. So first what I have to do? 8 into 4. 8 should be multiplied by 4. 8 4s are how much? Yes, 32. 32. 8 4s are 32. How many zeros I have to write? 2 zeros. 3200 is the answer. Understood? 8 4s are 32. Write down the 2 zeros. Next, 12 into 600. What is the answer? First, 12 should be multiplied by 6. 12 6 are how much children? 12 6 are 72. How many zeros I have to write now? This is 6 mark. Okay? This is a 6. 12 6 are 72. And write down 2 zeros. Next, 36 into 2. How much? 72 only. 36 2s are 2 6 are 12. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. 72. Put 2 zeros. Understood children? Did you get it? Yes. Note it down. You can pause the video and you can note it down in your classwork children. Yes, complete your worksheets and send to me. Very few I got children. Please work on it. Okay, and in the next class we will take word problems on multiplication, children. Okay, we will meet in the next class, children. Yes, bye.